Guys, so as you can see, it's getting yellowish, so it means it's almost there. Yo, Junior. Yay! Hey guys, it's your juicy girl Cranberry. Welcome back to my channel, Cranberry TV. If it's your first time being here, welcome. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notifications so that you know when I upload a new video. In this video, I am going to show you how I changed my hair color from black to neon pink. I hope you guys enjoy it. So I started by combing out my black hair, as you can see. So at the time my hair was really short, so I could not separate it into 4 sections, so I just let it loose. And then I started applying my mixture of cream developer and bleaching powder. Now because my hair is very black, I use the 14 developer. I'm in the process of decolorizing my hair. If you know me, you know that this happens regularly. If you just getting to know me, then voila! Cranberry is a girl who loves to change her hair color. Guys, so as you can see, it's getting yellowish, so that means it's almost there. Yo, Junior. Yay! At this point in the video, my phone decided to give issues, so I could not record me applying the semi-permanent neon pink hair color, but you guys get to see the results. Can I just tell you guys, like, I'm itching to change my hair color again, and this COVID-19 is just but if you guys like this video and you want to see more of my crazy hairdos and hair colors, or if you have suggestions on colors that I should try, please be sure to leave your suggestions in the comments below. Until next time guys, keep it juicy.